Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy yet delicious salsa chicken. Man, there's so many different things you can do with this chicken. I'm going to show you a few of them. So are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. So what do you need for this amazing salsa chicken? 3 frozen chicken breasts. Drop them right into your Ninja Foodi. You're going to go get your favorite salsa. You need 1 1/4 cup. So just dump it in there. I'm using the Newmans mild because that's what I like. You like it spicier? Get the spicier. And then 1 packet of Taco Bell seasoning mix. Oh no, not the taco seasoning mix from Taco Bell again. Yeah, again, it's good. Just open it up, sprinkle it over the top of the chicken and the salsa. And then 1/4 cup of water. We're going to give it a little stir, and we're going to pressure cook it for 30 minutes. Go ahead and flip the chicken over so all the sides get the flavor. Whoops. Try not to make a mess. All right, we did a 30-minute pressure cook and a 15-minute natural release. All the pressure's already gone and the red pin's already dropped. So let's see what we got. We have something that smells delicious. Now let's shred that chicken. Look how that just falls apart. Let's go ahead and hit that sear saute button and start reducing this liquid. All right, we've let it simmer for 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and remove the chicken. That was so much easier. Don't forget to turn that sear saute feature off. Now take a tortilla, a little of that delicious salsa chicken. Let's put it right in the middle there. Grab a little cheddar cheese, put that over the top. Sprinkle in a little cilantro. Let's fold that over. Fold the ends here like this. Roll it over. Put it in the air crisp basket. Hit it with a little olive oil. Now cook it for 7 minutes at 400 degrees using the air crisp feature. Or grab you another one of those tortillas. Grab a little of that chicken. Put it right in the middle. Little fresh diced tomato. Throw on a little cheese, little chopped romaine lettuce, or whatever lettuce you like, little cilantro, give it a roll, and boom, baby burrito. Or use a bigger flour tortilla, make a big burrito. But wait, there's more. Grab you a tostada. Grab some of that delicious chicken. Or you can throw some refried beans down first, then put on the chicken. Put it in the middle. Grab a little of that lettuce. Throw on a little of that tomato. Definitely don't forget the cheese. And a little bit of that cilantro. And boom, you got a tostada. Check this out, soft tortilla bowls. They're located wherever your taco shells are located in your grocery store. We're gonna take one of these and make a salsa chicken taco salad. Go ahead and grab a little lettuce and put it on the bottom. Grab some of your chicken. Spread it out in that bowl. It's taking more chicken than I thought it would. Let's hit it with some more lettuce. Gotta throw on some tomatoes. Little bit of cheese. Little bit of cilantro. Now I'm going to put some salsa verde on top of it. Shoot, that's what I'm talking about. Doesn't that look delicious? Now you didn't think I forgot about that chimichanga, did you? No, I didn't. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Now go get you a little salsa con queso, melt it in the microwave, pour that bad boy right over the top. Look at that. That is going to be so good. You know I'm going to hit it with a little of my cilantro, because I love cilantro. And a little tomato. Boom! Look at all the different things we made off that one little chicken dish. And it was super easy to make. Let's give it a try. Get a little of that chicken, the guac, a little salsa verde. That's a fiesta in your mouth, baby. That is delicious. Let's try a little of that chimmy. I better get a knife for that. And yes, I already cut it in half. Oh yeah. The chicken's so tender. You get the flavor of the salsa and the taco seasoning. So you get that, just so flavorful. Mix it with the sour cream, the cheese sauce, and all the other fixings. And man, I'll tell you what, you will not go out for Mexican food anymore. That is so good. So I got one question for you. Ooh, that's gonna be a good piece. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.